Hi guys. Now I'm just gonna showcase how we can use Ansible automation and creating playbooks and inventories and things like that using GitHub Copilot, which it's truly making life easy, and you can create code in a few minutes. By the way, what I can say now is that uh, please create a um, please create users and groups with sage keys and 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 create for folders with right permissions. Okay, let's see now. As we can see, uh, Copilot, it's doing all of that, and as you can see, it's done. Then we have to press accept. Then we can go through our Ansible code here. As we can see on top there, create users group and all directories with permission, host, variables, user one with the specific SSH keys, then the home directory have been created for that user, then directories with the path and permissions, which it created directory one and directory two. Username is user two. We have user one and user two. Then going down on tasks, you can see the name show group exist. Group, then item group, then we loop the users, and here ensure user exist. Then item.user, as we can see here, create home here, shell, bin bash, it even creates the shell for us. Then going down, add SSH keys for users, unauthorized keys. Then as we can go down, create directories with permissions, path, state, mode, then owner, group, then loop, user, implements, and all of that. As we can see how easy, we can do this. We can create playbooks, and there's a lot that we can truly do, with Copilot. And I would say, let's say inventories. Okay, let's see .yml. Okay, say please create list of servers and IP addresses. Okay, then let's do that. Let's see what it gives us. Okay, as you can see here, we can even create our inventories where we have like a list of servers created, and I can even do this. Okay, list servers, list, let's say 10, list 10 servers, and with IP addresses and subnet masks, and let's say port numbers. Let's just go deep and see how Copilot does that. As you can see here, guys, it's really stunning, to see how fast we can, use GitHub Copilot. It does life easy, to be honestly. As we can see here, it can, we can create this and maybe list, IPs with ports and subnet masks. And again, I want to try this and see if it's gonna work. what I wanted to try. Okay, list server. Okay, let's say list 10 servers with this range of IP address. Let's say let's just choose let's say 2.10.10.0 and 24. Let's do this and see if it's gonna work. And subnet masks, okay, let's just do this and see if it's gonna, uh as we can see here, guys, we can even state exactly the range of IP or certain IP that we want, then with the specific subnet masks, we can give a range there as we did. And this is truly awesome, guys, because as we can see here, we can create a playbook with their inventories, and again, what we can try is that, let's do this. Okay, create let's say server groups with IP addresses and subnet mask with uh, relative port numbers. Let's do this. Let's see. Okay, as we can see here, guys, as we know that using Ansible, we can create, groups, a certain group that we might, maybe use tags to uh, specifically, specify which server, we wanna like maybe run updates or install something at. As we can see here, we have children, we have web servers, we have host web server 1, then we have web server 2, then database server 1 and 2 with their relative IP addresses and port, and this is truly amazing tool to use. And tune how can I put it, there's more coming, and tune in for more. Then yeah, thanks for watching, and please subscribe or follow, like.